Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook a simple breakfast burger. I love a good bacon and egg sandwich, but on weekends when I have a little extra time, I like to take it to the next level. To start, we need to cook some bacon. For a recipe like this, I normally lay out the bacon on a sheet pan lined with baking paper. Place in the oven under the grill until crispy. Next, place a pan over high heat. Add a small amount of oil. Then place a ball of mince in the center of the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Now take a burger flipper and flatten out the mince into a burger patty. Because this is a breakfast burger, we don't want it to be too thick. Cook for roughly 2 minutes or until the juices start to form on the top. Flip the burger and place a slice of cheese on top. Cook for 1 minute before removing from the heat. Next, add a splash of oil to a pan over medium heat. Crack 1 egg into the center. Once most of the whites have cooked, break open the yolk and spread it out. This will give the burger an even amount of egg in every bite. Flip the egg before taking it straight off the heat. All that's left to do is to make this burger. Butter your toasted burger bun, then the burger patty, followed by the egg. Season with salt and pepper. Finally, the bacon. Top with a bun, and there you have it, a simple breakfast burger. This takes a good old bacon and egg sandwich to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.